Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos. Welcome to this Adobe Express tutorial, where we will explore the exciting features of Adobe Express, powered by Adobe Firefly. With Adobe Express, you can effortlessly create stunning content for various platforms, including Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and more. Whether you want to design flyers, videos, or social media posts, Adobe Express has got you covered. Best of all, it's free to use forever. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the main features of Adobe Express so you can unlock your creativity and make your content stand out. Start by selecting what type of content you want to create. You can choose from options like Instagram Square Posts, Instagram Story, Reel, TikTok Video, Facebook Post, Instagram Carousel, YouTube Video, Flyers, Videos, or YouTube Thumbnails. Adobe Express also offers powerful generative AI features that can help you create stunning content. Let's explore these options: text to image, generative fill, text to template, and text effects. Using text to image, generate images from a detailed text description. Using generative fill, describe what you would like to add or remove from an image. Text to template offers to generate editable templates from a text description, and text effects apply styles or textures to text with a text prompt. Below you will see these quick actions. Adobe Express makes it easy to enhance your content with these quick actions, such as remove background, resize image, caption video, animate from audio, convert to GIF, convert MP4, resize video, merge videos, generate QR code, and convert to PDF. When you will scroll down, you will see these popular templates. You can save your time by using these templates. Adobe Express provides popular templates to streamline your creative process. Choose from pre-designed templates for various content types, including Instagram Square Post, Flyer, Story, TikTok Video, Logo, and Facebook Post. Then comes the featured add-ons. Adobe Express allows you to integrate various add-ons, including Google Drive, OneDrive, Tension Insight, Wanadis, AEM, Assets, and Izu. These featured add-ons unlock new workflows, capabilities, and integrations for you. So that was an overview of all the features available in Adobe Express. Now we are going to explore the generative AI features of Adobe Express in detail. So let's start from text to image. To use this tool, you can just type your prompt in the text box and just wait for the results. So here is the prompt that I have generated. Just paste it here and click on Generate. Wait for a while and Adobe Express will convert your prompt into an image. Alright, so now it has converted your prompt into a fascinating image. Here you will see 4 variations of your image. You can select any one of them. Moreover, you can just select the content type from this drop-down list, such as photo or graphic or any other content type that you want. You can select different styles, such as digital art, palette knife, neon colors, or layered paper. And then you need to generate your design once again to apply the selected effects. If you want to see more results, you can just click on Load More. Select your desired image from here. Now you can download your design or you can also share it from here. Now let's go to the other tool, that is Generative Fill. So now you can add and remove objects from your images very easily now using this Generative Fill feature. Upload your image here or you can also select any image from the list. For example, I will select this one. Okay, now I want to add a whale underwater. So I will just select the space where I want to add this whale like this. And then I will just write down my prompt here. Click on Generate. And as you can see, it has added a fish under the water. So now you can add anything else here. Just select the space like this and write down your prompt. Click on Generate. So now it has added many small fishes under the water. You can select any picture out of these and click on Done. After finalizing your image, you can use these effects, adjustments, and animation features to enhance your image. For example, if I click on Effects, I will select any one of them from here, like this one, or this one. Also, you can just adjust the tones from here, like you can just increase the contrast, brightness, highlights, or shadows. You can also increase or decrease the saturation or make the image sharper. So this way, using AI, you can generate different images in Adobe Express. Let's move on to the other tool. So the next AI tool is Text to Template. Just click on it and now you can just write down your prompt here. You can select your post style from this drop-down list, such as whether you want an Instagram square post, a flyer, a Facebook post, a poster, or a card. And then you can just write down your prompt here, such as I will just select poster, and then I will write down my prompt, create a new year poster, and then I will click on generate. Wait for a while and it will convert your prompt into your desired template. And wow, it has created different styles and these styles are AI generated. If you want to generate more styles, you can click on generate more results. And if you want to select any one of them, you can just click on the specific design. So now it is preparing your template for editing and customization. Using these features, you can do more edits to your design. On the right hand side, you will see these layers. Using these layers, you can select any specific objects from your design. And then you can just change colors, border thickness, lines, and add different effects to your design very easily. You can change the background color, you can align your text, even you can translate your content into any language. You can resize your template and change the color theme. After finalizing your template, you can download it and you can just share it from here. Now next tool is Text Effects. It's a very interesting tool as it allows you to put different text effects to your simple text. Now go to this tool and type some text here. After adding the text, you need to write down your prompt here. I have written floral hand embroidery pattern, and as you can see, it has added a hand embroidery pattern into your text. You can customize it by using different customized text styles from here. You can use any style from the drop-down list, such as realistic, embellished, pencil sketch, neon colors, or colorful fine liners. You can also select these sample effects, such as balloon, blue and gold marble, diamond glitter, disco ball, gem stickers, or gold drip. If you want to generate more results, then you can just click on Load More. Or if you want to remove the effect, then click on Remove Effect here. It's an amazing feature of Adobe Express. You can use this feature to generate very creative and interesting text effects. However, this tool has many other features that you must use and explore to create amazing graphical posts. You should also explore these quick actions such as remove background, resize image, caption video, animate from audio, and convert GIFs and MP4s. Adobe Express is an amazing tool that makes it easy to bring your creative ideas to life. Whether you are designing social media posts, flyers, videos, or logos, Adobe Express is a powerful tool at your disposal. Start creating amazing content today and let your imagination soar with Adobe Express. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.